E-commerce had already grown in popularity with our desires to buy things online at home, and it was made even more so by COVID. And this has really grown the need for warehouse space, not only large distribution centers, but the last mile facilities as well. It's warehouse and distribution centers, cold storage facilities, port complexes, intermodal facilities, and trucking companies. It's really heightened the competition for land, especially in high population areas. And a key component is speed to market, and that's why site selection and due diligence is really critical. So looking at aspects like subsurface conditions, environmental concerns, and natural cultural resources is a key component. We're really seeing an increased need for cold storage across the country, and that's due to two main factors. Primarily, it's because increase in demand for things like online ordering of groceries, prepared meals, and even pharmaceuticals. And secondarily, the asset base as a whole is aging close to 40 years on average. And things that you need to really consider when looking at a cold storage facility are not only how to keep moisture out, but keep the temperature at a maintained level throughout the year, no matter the conditions. I think it's going to be critical that you have partners that are both reliable, flexible, and nimble. As we all know, markets change, and the ability to lean on them for their insight into how markets are trending and how they use technology and innovation to adapt to your needs is really important.